All right, this is going to be Abeka Grade 2, List 21. Let's do this together. Okay, Becca, what did I say? Grade 2, List 21. First word, let's sound it out together. B-I-S-K, and then it's it. B-I-S-K, it. Let's sound the things out. B-I-S-K, it. B-I-S-K, it. Biscuit. B-I-S-C-U-I-T. Biscuit. Again, B-I-S-C-U-I-T. Biscut. Now, normally cut is just C-U-T, but in this one it has an I because they say biscuit. Okay. That doesn't sound out perfectly, but we can kind of put it together. This right here, we already know that's a blend. So it's, and this makes ow. So it's sound. 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 S-O-U-N-D. Sound. This word here, this is a blend as. Oh, sorry, no. Hold on. That's not the blend. The blend is actually here. Sk. There it is. Okay, let's look at this one. This is t-ask. Task. T-A-S-K. Task. D-is of and we know that this is a blend and this is the word is. So it's isk of discover. D-I-S-C-O-V-E-R. Discover. Again, D-I-S-C-O-V-E-R. This is the word, and this is ow, O-W. That's a blend. This is ow-n. Down. D-O-W-N. Down. This is the sk blend, and there's a double L, and there's the E-D. Skilled. Skilled. S-K-I-L-L-E-D. Skilled. This blend right here is ow, and that's A. So it's mount. Ain. Mountain. Now, do you say mountain? No. This is actually pronounced mountain. So it says mountain, but it's actually mountain. Mountain. M-O-U-N-T. That's mount. And then it should say in, but really it's A-I-N. Mountain. Do the whole word again. M-O-U-N-T-A-I-N. Mountain. This is the word owl. This blend is owl. Owl. Vowel. V-O-W-E-L. Vowel. This is a blend. Sk. And then there's a sneaky E right here. So sk. I. So the E is making him say I. And it's making him say I as well. So anyway, it's sky line. Skyline. And E is making I say I as well. So sky line. Skyline. S-K-Y-L-I-N-E. Skyline. Telescope. And how do I know that one was saying O and not ah? Because there's a sneaky E. Telescope. Telescope. T-E-L-E-S-C-O-P-E. Again, telescope. T-E-L-E, tele, and then scope, S-C-O-P-E, telescope. This word, and this, again, that's the blend ow. Owl, towel. I need a towel to dry off with. T-O-W-E-L, towel. This is the blend cl and ow. So it's cl, ow, d, cloud. C-L-O-U-D, cloud. This is the blend br, and this is the blend sk, br, isk, brisk. B-R-I-S-K, brisk. This is the blend sk, and this again is ow, just like the other words we had that were ow. So we have sk and ow, and then a t, sk, ow, t, scout. This is Mr. This is Mrs. That's Doctor. Mr., Mrs. So it's M-R is Mr., M-R, and then S, like a cute little skirt, is Mrs. That's the wife. The husband and the wife, the Mr. and the Mrs. And that's the doctor. The vocabulary words are errand, author, and error. I ran an error with my mom to grab a book because she is an author. We noticed that her book had an error in it. Bye-bye. Actually, no. Let's keep going. What I have from here are your little vocabulary flashcards that I made, which you'll see them. Mountain. M-O-U-N-T-A-I-N. Mountain. Down. D-O-W-N. Down. Next one. Task. T-A-S-K. Task. T-A-S-K. Task. Biscuit. B-I-S-C-U-I-T. Biscuit. B-I-S-C-U-I-T. Biscuit. Vowel. V-O-W-E-L. Vowel. V-O-W-E-L. Vowel. I'm going to go a little bit faster. S-K-I-L-L-E-D. Skilled. S-K-I-L-L-E-D. That's the word skill. S-K-I-L-L. Skill. Then we're going to say skilled by adding ed. Can't move it. There we go. Next word, discover. You could even say dis and cover. Discover means I found something. D-I-S-C-O-V-E-R. Discover. D-I-S-C-O-V-E-R. Discover. Sound. I heard a sound. And we know this is a blend. Ow. So it's s. Ound. Anyway, S-O-U-N-D. Sound. Again, S-O-U-N-D. Sound. D-R stands for doctor. M-R stands for Mr. This is the word brisk. Means fast. I went on a brisk walk or a fast walk. B-R-I-S-K. Brisk. B-R-I-S-K. brisk. Towel, 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 towel. Skyline, Skyline, skyline. Those are two different words as well. That's sky, SKY, sky. And then line is LINE. Put them together, skyline. MRS stands for Mrs. Not Miss, Mrs. MRS means that she's married. She is married to the mister. Scout, 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 scout. Cloud, 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 cloud. This could be broken in half to tele, TELE, and then scope, SCOPE. Scope. So you have telescope. 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 These are your vocabulary words. Errand. I ran an errand with my mom. Author. She was the author of a book. Error. We found an error on the page.